Let's learn 5 phrasal verbs with set. Firstly, set apart. This means to distinguish between different things. For example, the only thing that sets us apart is my beard. Set back. This means the cost of something or a delay. For example, this giant teddy set me back £30. My son is going to love it. Set in. This means something usually unpleasant takes hold. Winter has set in. It's going to be cold for the next 3 months. Set out. This means begin a journey, display something, or explain in a clear manner. What time did you set out? At 8:30. I've just finished setting out my table. And finally, set to. This means begin doing something in a determined or enthusiastic way. You had better set to it. I want these invoices done by the end of the day. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more phrasal verbs.